Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese milk foam. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving that perfect airy texture. This guide is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring you can whip up a delightful foam for your favorite beverages or desserts in no time. Get ready to elevate your culinary creations with this simple yet impressive technique. To start, gather your ingredients and tools. For the best foam, whole milk is recommended, but you can also use a high-fat, dairy-free option. Choose a soft, spreadable cheese such as cream cheese or mascarpone for a smooth blend. You'll also need a frother, an immersion blender, or a hand mixer to achieve the desired consistency. Now let's get to the fun part, foaming. First, combine about 1/4 cup of milk with 2 tablespoons of your chosen soft cheese in a small saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over low heat until it reaches approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's warm but not boiling. Then, use your frother or blender to aerate the mixture until it becomes light, airy, and doubles in volume. For the best experience, chill your serving glass beforehand. This helps the foam maintain its structure longer. Feel free to adjust the amount of cheese to suit your taste, making it richer or lighter as you prefer. This foam is fantastic on coffee, hot chocolate, or even as a dessert topping. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cheese milk foam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.